Yadi, yadi, also. So this is pass off. Navajo 2, lesson 5 and 6. Pass off sheet. And students, this is your pass off sheet. Listen to the video clip when you're ready. Find your facilitator and pass off your readings. If you don't have a facilitator, please email me a recording. Okay, here we go. You who are language keepers. So this is what, there's the reading. We got everything from there, but we want to do the reading here. So, Hada Mr. Long Bagan, Mr. Long Tuwilla de Bagan, Heish Tuwilla de Bagan, Mr. Long Tuwilla de Bagan, that Mr. Long Tuwilla de Bagan, oh Mr. Long Tuwilla de Bagan, that Mr. Long New York de Bagan, Daga Mr. Long to New York de Bagan, da Mr. Long Tuwilla de Bagan. Mr. Long had inele. Mr. Long ashkinele. That Mr. Long at ednele. Daga Mr. Long do at ednelida. Mr. Long ashkinele. Hade Eileen Bagan. Eileen Spanish for the Bagan. Heish Salt Lake de Bagan. John Salt Lake de Bagan. Salt Lake de Salt Lake City de Bagan. Da Charlene, California de Bagan. Oh, Charlene, California de Bagan. Da Quinn, Tooele de Bagan. Daga Quinn, Daga Quinn, do Tooele de Tooele de. Bagan da Quinn, New York de Bagan. John had inle, John is kinle. Da Quinn at Edinle. Daga Quinn do at Edinle. Quinn ashkinle. Tea chidiyinizm. Da Tea chiditso do dago chidiyinizm. Tea chidiyinizm. Hey, that's your pass off.